Hey guys, welcome back to the Crafty Couple. Today's video is all about hydro dipping. We're going to use Dollar Tree products and hydro dip them using Dollar Tree nail polish. We wanted to give you an example of what you can create simply using Dollar Tree products alone. We hope you're as excited as we are for this video. It was a lot of fun to create, so if you do enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. Also, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. We have a very important question regarding our next video. So as you get to the end, make sure to listen for that question and let's jump in and get started.
To start out with these coasters, you will need to put a thin coat of ModPodge on top just so that the spray paint will stick. When this dries, you will want to spray paint it with a gloss white spray paint. For this first one, I wanted to give it a marble look, so I'm grabbing this dark gray nail polish from Dollar Tree and I poured it on top of the water and then took a skewer to spread it out just so it's a lot thinner. Then I will take the coaster and place it on top. When you are taking it out, just shake it off just a little bit so that the top layer of nail polish that's still in the water doesn't stick onto it. For this one, I will be doing the same thing, but I will be using more of a dusty pink type of color. For this next one, instead of spray painting it with white, I will be using this Rustoleum metallic color. I have been really obsessed with this kind of rose gold type of color. And after that, I will be using that dusty pink again, and then just placing that on top. This one I will be using a gold nail polish and then that pink color once again, and then I will be alternating the colors just so that the gold doesn't spread out too much. I originally tried to seal all of them with a spray paint sealer, but that did not work at all. It started peeling up the paint, so I would use this polyacrylic instead, or Mod Podge from Dollar Tree.
For these next few coasters, I spray painted them using a gloss black spray paint from Krylon, and we're going to go for a marbled look on this one. So I'm just using a silver and a white nail polish, and then we'll go ahead and take our little stick in there and swirl it around. Now, with creating these designs, you can make them a little bit crazier like this, or if you want to make them a little bit more uniform or calm, you can just go back and forth through that and you can create a little bit more of a straighter design and not as crazy like this. The next one, we're going to be using this gold and white nail polish. For this one, I'm going to be using this gold purple and white. I wanted to add the purple in just to see what it was like, and that's what I would encourage you guys to do, is get a bunch of different colors and try different designs, different colors. You never know. Something might turn out even better than you thought it would, or something that you really were excited about might not look as good as you wanted it to. But that's what's so fun about doing this, is just trying a bunch of different designs and a bunch of different colors. For these vases, we're going to be using these two glasses from Dollar Tree. The one with the watermelon on it, I would actually suggest not getting that one. After you spray paint it, you'll see here, you can still see where the watermelon right there, it's glossy. You can't really tell after it's dipped, but I would just try and get the plain vases or glasses. They're just going to work a little bit better. And then spray paint them white or black or whatever color you want as the base, because you are going to see that through after you do the dip. And then I'm just using a white to create kind of a marble look for this one. For the white vase, I'm going to use this gray and black. I was going for kind of a smoky marble look with this one. I thought it turned out really neat. And again, just play around with these. You can create some very modern looking vases for holding plants, succulents, whatever it might be, by doing this technique. Hydro dipping is awesome for that, because you can create kind of that faux marble look. These are 3 water bottles that we got from Dollar Tree, and I ended up spray painting 2 of them white and 1 of them a rose gold color. So just keep in mind, whatever you want is that base background color, make sure that you're spray painting the bottle that color. So whether that's white, black, gold, spray paint it first, and then that way when we hydro dip, the accent colors will be from the nail polish. And then we want to make sure that we're taping off this top part where our mouth would go. Obviously, we don't want to get paint on that if we're going to be drinking out of these. I found the easiest way to dip a lot of these things, especially when they're longer, is to just grab one of these buckets. We got this from, I believe, Home Depot, and fill it up all the way to the top or as close to the top. That way you have enough room for whatever you're dipping. This first one, I just opened up basically all of the bright colors that we had and picked a few of them to put in here. Really no prior idea of what I wanted to do, just picked a few random colors and went with it. For this one, I wanted to go for more of like a high-end look for the bottle. So the base color is the white spray paint, and then I'm using this gray and a gold, and then another one's kind of like an orangish gold color. And then we're gonna swirl all this together. I thought it turned out really cool. Again, like I said, kind of more of like a high-end modern look for it. For this one, we were trying to get kind of a similar design to one of the koshers we did. We really liked how it turned out. We ran out of one of the nail polishes, so what we ended up using is a white nail polish and a very light pink nail polish. And it just gives it a very subtle design after we dip it. And I think this one looks really good. Kind of another high-end modern look to it. I'd have to say this one's probably my favorite out of the three that we did. I'm curious to know which one out of the three, the bright colored, the golden gray, or this rose gold one, which one did you guys like the most? This is one of the little wood figures you can get from the craft section. We're going to be doing the unicorn in the seaside spray paint, and they have a ton of other things in that section. Our kids picked out a giraffe, an elephant, and a dinosaur, and we let them pick out the nail polish color as well. So this is a very fun project for not only you, but if you have kids, they can create their own design. And let me tell you, they had a blast doing it. So I would highly suggest do it with your kids. It'd be a lot of fun. Alright, so if you guys have stuck around, you'll remember at the beginning of the video I mentioned we have a very important question. That question for our next video is, which decor style would you like to see? You can let us know in the comments, but the key here is we're going to create a poll on our YouTube channel community tab. So go to our channel and then to our community tab. In that poll, we're going to have three options: farmhouse, boho, or modern. Vote for whichever one you'd like to see, and the winner will be our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.